Yep. We're now on the third day of the build. So now the main fork is in. I just got off work. It's 9 p.m. So what I'm gonna do now is just put this sub fork assembly to the main fork. I don't know what this one is called. So basically I'm just going to put this whole thing in here. Okay. And then put this main shaft in here. Okay. So yeah, it's gonna be tricky a bit. This one is, you have to bang it a little bit in this hole, and then it goes in here, goes out, goes in the next hole right there, and then somehow there's a thread on it, so you thread it. Okay, so okay, so you put it on the second hole, not this hole. Okay, we're gonna put it down. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So you bang it a bit. I'm gonna put a little bit of grease on it so it will slide. Hopefully it slides. Okay. Before I bang it. Okay. There we go. Some hammer it. Okay. So once you reach this point, the threaded part of the shaft will go almost on the start of the thread of this main fork. So now you're gonna thread it or torque it with 15-16 wrench, like that. Okay, so it's done. So now the front fork shocks will be here, going towards here. So you're gonna bolt them here, one of these holes going towards here. Now this one is just a nut that goes in here. Okay. There you go. So I'm just gonna tighten that. And that's it for today.